Hi, this is Matthew Paulson with Analyst Ratings Network. I wanted to take a moment today to show you some features of our new stock research tool, RatingsDB. You're currently looking at the basic search page, and as you can see, you can search by a number of different fields and sort the results in just about any way you'd like. RatingsDB contains a database that has more than 100,000 stock ratings from 162 different brokerages. You can search by a specific brokerage, the stock ticker, or if you don't know the stock ticker, you can search by the company's name, the sector they're in, the industry. You can also search by a specific date range, the action that the analyst took, the current rating, the current price of the stock, the price target that the analyst set, a keyword from the research note, and whether or not there is an excerpt from the report available. And you can also sort by the analyst, company, date, the action taken, the rating, the current price, the price target, and the percentage upside that the analyst has on the stock. So let's go ahead and perform a basic search. So let's say we want to see what analysts have been recently saying about Apple. So I'll just type in AAPL, the company's ticker, and we'll sort the results by date. And we'll say we only want to see ratings that have a price target set. So we'll just say, as long as they have a price target greater than $1, let's show the reports. So we'll perform the search. There's obviously plenty of coverage for Apple. You see some basic information about a report here. And then if you want to see some detailed information, you would just click on the View button to see the details. Here you can see the details page. So you see the analyst, the company, the ticker, that's a quick link to Google Finance, what action they took, the date of the rating, the current rating, and we also keep track of the analyst-specific rating system. So Stern Agee uses a buy, neutral, underperform rating. So that's Stern Agee's highest rating. You can see the price target that they set and the upside that it represents over the previous closing price. So there is an excerpt from the research report. We saw that we tracked that the report was mentioned on Benzinga. We keep track of a dozen different stock websites, so when a rating is mentioned on a specific stock site, you'll get a link to their article as well for maybe some more information. Just some basic information about the company there, and then some more recent ratings for Apple, and then some more recent ratings that Stern Agee has taken. So let's go back and just click on this View Company Profile link, and that'll send you to our profile page for Apple. So we just have some about text here that kind of tells you what the company does, what sector they're in, their industry, their symbol, some headlines, some basic metrics about the stock, and some recent ratings for the stock, and then some recent earnings information as well, and then some other quick links that might interest you. So that's what our company profile page looks like. Now let's say there's a stock or a search that you want to perform on a regular basis. We've developed a feature called My Saved Searches. And here's a search that I performed and I saved called Life Insurance Company Price Target. So say I'm interested in the life insurance industry and I invest in their stocks, and I want to see when an analyst sets a price target on a life insurance company. So I saved that search. It shows me that there are 166 results and one new result since I performed the search last. So I'm going to click on that and it'll run the search. It'll populate everything I need. So it'll say if it has a price target and it's in the life insurance industry, and sort by the newest one. So here we see yesterday, well, I recorded this on July 24th, but Zacks reiterated Prudential Financial's neutral rating. And we want to click on that and we'll see just the more information about the rating. Another feature of RatingsDB is the Analyst Rankings. So what we do is we keep track of the price targets that analysts set. Typically they're 12-month price targets, so we actually check 12 months from the day of the research report to say how close was that price target, and then we just keep that track for that for every rating that we track and that has a price target. Right now, as of the day of this recording, I've got about 2 months of data, and that'll certainly increase as time goes on. Right now we see that Williams Capital is the most accurate analyst. Their price targets are off by only an average of 6.2%. That's pretty good. So then when I click on that, it'll show you the actual ratings that were set, the company, the price target they set then, what the price actually was 12 months later, how much it varied, and then the average there. So you see Williams Capital, Kerosene Company, August, Auriga, Ticonderoga are all at the top of the list. And then at the bottom of the list are some that haven't done so well: Global Hunter Securities, Ladenburg Thalmann, Wedbush, Rodman & Renshaw, and JMP Securities, not doing so well according to our metrics. Finally, if you are an ARN Daily Premium subscriber, you will have a quick link to your newsletter as well. So if you want to just read your daily newsletter on the web, you can do that as well. But that does require a ARN Daily Premium subscription. Let's go back and take a quick look at just one more rating to give you an idea of a better idea of how the information that we have on each rating. So here's a rating for Deckers Outdoor Corporation. It's set by Piper Jaffray. They cut their price target on Deckers Outdoor from 63 to 50, so you can see they kind of cut their upside from about 45% to about 15%. They have a neutral rating. Piper Jaffray uses a overweight, neutral, underweight system, so a neutral is their kind of middle rating. We have an excerpt from the report, a couple of links to mentions of that ratings change. You can also search for more with those two quick links. Some information about the company, then more ratings for Deckers Outdoor, and more ratings from Piper Jaffray. So that is the basic functionality of RatingsDB. I think we have the most comprehensive database of stock ratings on the web. As I've mentioned before, there are more than 100,000 ratings from 162 analysts, and I think we can offer you some good insights from analysts as part of this service, and we hope that you'll find it valuable. Thanks.